At Manor Excel Academy, we offer an accelerated high school program that thrives in a smaller classroom environment. We are a community that values relationships. Because of the smaller setting, the teachers are able to create a space that develops an atmosphere of educational equitability. Scholars have the unique opportunity to complete 4 semesters in 1 year. Our flexibility allows you to graduate at an accelerated pace. Manor Excel provides individualized teaching based on the needs of each scholar. We offer online credit recovery based on curriculum using Edgenuity, as well as face-to-face teaching for STAR test subjects. Our scholars work closely with their counselors and other community members to stay connected upon graduation. Projects involve meeting with the college advisor, completing the FAFSA, creating updated resume, and applying at a community college and/or university. The purpose is to prepare our scholars for life after high school the best way possible. Choose Manor Excel Academy. Explore the possibilities at Manor ISD.